5 Proven health benefits of garlic. Garlic is used widely as a flavoring in cooking, but it has also been used as a medicine throughout ancient and modern history. It has been taken to prevent and treat a wide range of conditions and diseases. Garlic has a high nutritional content for its size, with significant amounts of vitamin C, selenium, manganese, and iron. There is also some evidence that consuming garlic may help strengthen the immune system, reduce risk for certain cancers, improve heart health, and even boost athletic performance. Here are 5 benefits of garlic you may not have known. 1. The blood purifier. Tired of covering up those zits with concealer every morning? It's time to tackle the root cause of acne by purifying your blood from inside to get healthy skin on the outside. Take 2 cloves of raw garlic with some warm water every day, early in the morning, and consume a lot of water the entire day. If you're looking to shed some pounds, squeeze the juice of half a lemon in a glass of lukewarm water and have it with 2 cloves of garlic in the mornings. Garlic will help to cleanse your system and flush out toxins. 2. Cold and flu. Garlic is going to provide you relief from that stubborn cold and flu. Taking 2 to 3 cloves of raw or cooked garlic a day or sipping some garlic tea is not only going to relieve a stuffed nose and cure the cold but also build your immunity against. 3. Prevention of heart disease. Consuming garlic on a daily basis in food or raw helps to lower cholesterol levels because of the antioxidant properties of allicin. It is also immensely beneficial to regulate blood pressure and blood sugar levels. It is essential to remember that the sulfur-containing compound allicin tends to lose its medicinal properties when garlic is cooked whole. It is imperative to consume garlic raw or semi-cooked to derive any of its benefits. 4. Garlic may allow you to exercise longer. Historically, ancient Greek athletes ate garlic before an event to improve their performance. That's because garlic releases nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes blood vessels and lowers blood pressure. This compound is often released while running to supply more oxygen to working muscles. Some animal studies in rats and mice have also found that garlic can improve athletic endurance. 5. For skin and hair. The invigorating properties of garlic protect the skin from the effect of free radicals and slow down the depletion of collagen, which leads to loss of elasticity in aging skin. Applied topically, garlic does wonders to skin infected with fungal infections and provides relief from skin ailments like eczema. It is also an effective remedy for fungal infections like athlete's foot and ringworms. All of us know about the wonders of onion for hair, but its brother, garlic, is no less of a hero for your thinning mane. Well, it's surprise time. Rubbing crushed garlic extract on your scalp or massaging with garlic-infused oil is known to prevent and even reverse hair loss. For thousands of years, garlic was believed to have medicinal properties. Science has now confirmed it. So let's eat a clove of garlic every day. We would be very happy if you share your thoughts and suggestions about our video in the comments section. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Stay healthy and happy.